Let's meet the teams, starting with Calabar High Masters.
Good evening, Jamaica. My name is Adrian Beadle, winning captain of the 2004 quiz team. I currently help manufacturers, farmers, and agro-processors with digital marketing and AI strategies for their reasons. Thank you.
Good evening, Jamaica. I am Troy Stone, member of the 2007 finalist team, captain of the 2018. I'm currently an accountant manager, and I've been involved in 5 quiz finals as a coach, winning in 2012 in Calabar. Thank you.
Hello, Jamaica. My name is Darren Thomas. I played School Challenge Quiz for Calabar between the years 2008 and 2010, and I'm currently working in the field of finance. Thank you.
Hello, Jamaica. My name is Kemoy Lindsay, a member of the winning Calabar High School quiz team 2005 and 2006, the 3P year. I currently work as a director of Bauxite Lands and project manager of the Bauxite Community Development Program for the Jamaica Bauxite Institute. And in my spare time, I do continue to help Calabar in their quiz program as well.
Thank you very much, Calabar Masters. Now, Wolmer's Boys Masters, over to you.
Good day, Jamaica. The name is Andre Stewart. I represented the Wolmer's Boys School from 2013 to 2015. I am an accountant by profession.
Hello, Jamaica. Name is Tajay Bailey. I played for Wolmer's for the years 2012 to 2015, and currently I work in compliance.
Hello, Jamaica. My name is Keith Samuda. I played for the Wolmer's Boys School in the year 2009 and 2010, and I am currently a Senior Public Procurement Officer at the Port Administration Division. Thank you.
Hello, Jamaica. The name is Kevin Mott. I represented Wolmer's 2009 and 2010, where I was a semi-finalist in both seasons. Currently, I work at the Surgical Life Jamaica, and also in my spare time, my compatriot, I help Wolmer's Boys School quiz team.
Thank you very much, teams, and it's great to have you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the annual Masters match in TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. Former quiz players and champions from Kingston and St Andrew have fond memories of the challenge. But do they still have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to win this match? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Calabar Masters won. They decided to send Wolmer's Boys Masters into bat. So we begin with Wolmer's Boys Masters. And this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get the time on the clock. Wolmer's Masters, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which of Noah's sons was father to Elam and Ashur?
Shem.
Correct. Calabar Masters, Bible knowledge. Which of Noah's sons was father to Cush and Canaan?
Ham.
Correct. Local affairs for Wolmer's Masters. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Marcia Gray.
Incorrect. That's Tova Hamilton, MP, Northern Trelawney. Local affairs for Calabar Masters. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Denise Daly.
Correct. MP, St Catherine Eastern. Biology for Wolmer's Masters. What term is used to describe a solution which has the same concentration of solutes as the cells immersed in it?
Isotonic.
Correct. Biology for Calabar Masters. What term is used to describe a solution which has a higher concentration of solutes than the cells immersed in it?
Hypertonic.
Correct. Music for Wolmer's Masters. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
Mariah Carey.
Correct. Music for Calabar Masters. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer, please.
Ian Warwick.
Correct. Literature for Wolmer's Masters. Who is the author of the book The Island of Dr. Moreau?
Stevenson.
Harold Stevenson.
Incorrect. H.G. Wells. And literature, Calabar Masters. Who is the author of the novel The Daughter of Dr. Moreau?
R.L. Stevenson.
Incorrect. Silvia Moreno Garcia. Wolmer's Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
It plays Magneto in X-Men.
All right, that is who coming I think that. Ben Kingsley.
Correct. Calabar Masters, Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Julie Dench.
Julie Dench.
Incorrect. Julie Andrews. General knowledge for Wolmer's Masters. Who is recognized as the destroyer god in Hinduism?
Shiva.
Correct. General knowledge for Calabar Masters. In Hinduism, which god is the creator?
Brahma.
Correct. Sports for Wolmer's Masters. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Renee Simoes.
Correct. Former Reggae Boys coach. And sports for Calabar Masters. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Captain Horace Burrell.
Correct. Former JFF president. Information technology, Wolmer's Masters. Which company created the Snapdragon, one of the fastest processors available for Android smartphones?
Qualcomm.
Correct. Information technology for Calabar Masters. Ryzen is a brand of multi-core microprocessors designed and marketed by which company for desktop, mobile, server, and embedded platforms?
Intel.
Incorrect. AMD or Advanced Micro Devices. Literature for Wolmer's Masters. What is the title of the novel by V.S. Reed that tells the story of Sam Sharp through the eyes of a young slave?
65.
Incorrect. Peter of Mount Ephraim. And literature for Calabar Masters. What is the title of the novel by Vic Reed in which 5 maroon boys pass tests of skill and endurance?
The Young Warriors.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. And there goes the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Calabar Masters on 7 and Wolmer's Boys Masters also on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. The annual Masters match in Schools Challenge Quiz 55 returns right after these messages.